Hello everybody, myself Dr. Nupur Sadda, Botany Faculty, Resonance Pre-Medical Division. Today we are here to discuss AIIMS memory-based questions and solutions, which was held on 26th May in the evening shift. We will be dealing with the botany part, so look at the first question, select the correct matching. Here different types of placentations are given and their examples are given in the options. Now look at the first one, A. This is representing the exile placentation, which is the commonly found in case of Solanaceae members like tomato. B, it is representing the parietal placentation whose examples are argemone and mustard. C is representing free exile placentation, which is generally found in dianthus and primrose. And D is representing the basal placentation, which is found in sunflower and marigold. So here the correct answer is first. Question number second, which one of the following options correctly designate the percent contribution of gases A, B, C and D responsible for global warming? So basically global warming is the result of the greenhouse gases. Different greenhouse gases have been mentioned here and their contribution has been mentioned. So here A will be referring to the methane, that is 20%. B will be referring to CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons, 14%. C will be referring to N2O, nitrogen oxide, 6%. And D will be referring to carbon dioxide, that is 60%. So the correct option will be first. Maximum contribution of global warming is because of the carbon dioxide. Question number 3 is match the columns. Here as we can see in column 1 there is given bacteriophage lambda. In bacteriophage lambda 48,502 base pairs are present. E. coli, in E. coli 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs are present. C is human genome. In human genome 3.3 10 to the power of 9 base pairs are present, and Shy 174 there are present 5,386 nucleotides. So the correct option will be 1. Question number 4, synthesis of lipids and carbohydrate is regulated by, first option is SER, second is RER, third ribosomes and fourth is lysosomes. As you know, synthesis of lipids and carbohydrates like glycogen, it is the characteristic function of the SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct option here will be 1. Question number 5, choose the incorrect about mitochondria. Option 1 has 80S ribosomes. This is wrong because mitochondria has 70S ribosomes. Second, naked circular DNA. This is correct about mitochondria. Third, ETS or the electron transport chain is present on the inner mitochondrial membrane. That is also correct. Fourth, it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. That is also correct. So the odd one regarding the mitochondria is first that it has 80S ribosomes. Question number 6, where does glycosylation of protein occurs? First option is endoplasmic reticulum, second lysosomes, third mitochondria, fourth is chloroplast. Glycosylation is the critical function of the biosynthetic secretory pathway which is held in endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. So the here correct answer is first. Question number 7, which of the following correctly assigns the codons for glycine? Here different codons are given in different options. Here the correct answer will be first, that is GGG, GGC and GGA. Question number 8, albuminous seeds are found in. Albuminous seeds are also known as the endospermic seeds. They are the characteristics of the monocots in which the seeds are having the endosperm. They are not being completely utilized during the embryonic development. But in certain cases of dicots like castor, they also have endospermic seeds. Otherwise, generally dicots do not have endosperm in their seeds. They are non-endospermic, but castor is an exception. So here let us go through the options. First is pea, groundnut and castor. No. Second, castor, sunflower, barley. That is also not the correct answer. Third, wheat, barley and castor. This is the correct option. Question number 9, where are the hotspots of biodiversity in India? In India, the hotspots of biodiversity are found in Western Ghat and Sri Lanka, into Burma and Himalayas. So the correct answer is third. Question number 10, which of the following is wrong about ethylene? Let us look at the options. Option first, inhibit the growth of the root. Second, ripening of the fruits. Third is elongation of the stem in paddy or rice field. Fourth is promote senescence of leaves and flowers. All the options are correct, but ethylene is helpful in the growth of the root and the root hairs. So first option is wrong regarding it, hence the correct answer is first. Question number 11, which of the following statement confirm the law of dominance? First option, 3:1 ratio in F2 generation. The law of dominance explains the 3:1 ratio which is found in the F2 generation. Second, it is the conclusion of a dihybrid cross. No, law of dominance is the conclusion of the monohybrid cross. Third, alleles do not show any blending and both characters recovered as such in the F2 generation. This is the characteristic of the law of segregation, not the law of dominance. And fourth, alleles of a pair segregate from each other such that gamete receives only one of the two factors. This is again the explanation of the law of segregation. So here the correct answer will be 1. Question number 12, to obtain seedless watermelon, which among the following method is followed? Let us go through the options. First is apomixis. It is the production of seed without fertilization. Second is somatic hybridization. As the name suggests, it is the formation of the hybrid by the fusion of two somatic cells, which is done by the protoplast fusion. Third is organogenesis, formation and development of the organs in the plant through tissue culture. And fourth is micropropagation. Micropropagation is production of the large number of plants which are similar genetically to the parent plant. So in this case, the correct option will be second, somatic hybridization. Question number 13, which among the following belongs to auxin? Let us go through the option. Option first, IAA, that is indole acetic acid. IBA, indole butyric acid. CK, that is cytokinin. Second option, GA3, that is gibberellic acid, 2,4-D. And IAA, and again auxin is there. Third, IAA, indole acetic acid. IBA, indole butyric acid. And NAA is naphthalene acetic acid. So all the three are auxins, hence the correct option will be 3. Question number 14, it is assertion reasoning type of question. Let us look at it. Assertion, alleles can transmit from parents to progeny without variations. That is true. Reason, alleles of different genes could be linked. Now when we talk about the linkage, the alleles of the different genes which are present on the same chromosome, they can show linkage. So this is also correct, but it is not the correct explanation of the assertion which is given here. Hence the correct answer will be 2. Question number 18, assertion, sequoia is the longest tree among the gymnosperms. This is correct. Reason, all the members of the Lycopsida are homosporous. This is wrong because Lycopsida includes the members like Selaginella, Lycopodium, Isoetus, out of which Selaginella is heterosporous, not homosporous, and it also showed the origin of seed habit. So in this case, the correct answer will be 3. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Question number 19, assertion given here is dark reaction of photosynthesis uses ATP and NADPH2. During the light reaction, the assimilatory power is produced, that is ATP and NADPH2, which is utilized during the dark reaction or the biosynthetic pathway. Here the reason given is dark reaction takes place in the absence of light. Indirectly, the dark reaction is dependent upon the products of the light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2. So the reason here is wrong, hence the correct option will be 3. That is, assertion is true, but reason is false. Question number 20, assertion, fermentation occurs by incomplete oxidation of glucose. That is true. Reason given here is yeast form ethanol and carbon dioxide from pyruvic acid. Yeast shows the alcoholic fermentation, as a result of which alcohol is produced, that is ethanol, and carbon dioxide is produced from pyruvic acid. So here we can say that both assertion and reasoning are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So here the correct option will be 2. Question number 21, assertion: most of the enzymes of oxidative decarboxylation are present in the mitochondrial matrix. What is oxidative decarboxylation? It is a type of an oxidation reaction in which the carboxylate group is removed in the form of carbon dioxide. Most of the enzymes are present in the mitochondrial matrix itself, like isocitrate dehydrogenase is there, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase is there. So this is correct. Reason: ETS operates on the inner membrane of the mitochondria. As we know that the inner mitochondrial membrane is the site of electron transport chain. So this is also correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So here the correct answer will be 2. Question number 22, assertion: Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are high yielding varieties of wheat. These are the different varieties of wheat which are obtained. Reason here is they are developed by IARI. IARI is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, which is located at New Delhi. This is also correct, but again the reason here is not giving the correct explanation of the first. So here we can say the correct option is 2. Question number 23, assertion: phytoplanktons, algae and higher plants are the chief producers in the pond ecosystem. That is true. Reason: many algae are responsible for the production of the ethanol. Although it is correct, but it is not the correct explanation of the assertion which is given here. So the correct answer will be 2.